Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Okay, so in this one we're going to be improving the forklift that we had on the last hoverboard video. So as you can see, as it's moving, if we just get to it, yeah, you can see that it tilts and rotates. So it can't place things on top of each other. It can only lift stuff up and move it around a little bit. Yeah, so as you can see, when you lift things up, it tilts back. You know, that's not how a forklift works. I mean, it depends on like what sort of stuff you're going to be lifting. But I want to be able to give myself options. Like, say if I want to stack these things that I'm lifting up, if I want to make like tidy piles, that kind of thing. So what I've done, I've redesigned the whole of that part there. It's the part that was going to be a robot arm. So basically what I've done, I've converted it into a linear actuator. So if we go on to the design now, and here we go, we'll just pop all these up like that for a nice little animation. Okay, so what we got here, this is like the old bracket there. So that just bolts onto the side of the existing motor. These big wheels, they turn onto the drive motors. It's a dual output shaft motor, so it's going to have both these gears driving on it. And then attached to those big gears, we've got some smaller gears which run along this bar here. So all that piece there. So that's the bit that moves. That's the linear actuator part. So yeah, we got an extra roller here. This is just to stop it wobbling so much. It gives it a little bit more say stability, rigidity. And then obviously the other side. Okay, so all these parts, they're going to take a little while to print, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so here is the 3D printed linear actuator forklift adjustment parts. So this is going to be called the forklift attachment Mark II, or we'll call it that, the forklift attachment Mark II. Okay, so Mark 1 was obviously crap because it went bzzz, like that, and this one's going to go bzzz, so it's going to be a lot better. Alright, okay, so third time lucky. Alright, so basically all I'm doing is getting the Bosch multi-tool universal cutting thing out. The one that's pretty good for cutting everything. Yeah, and just basically taking chunks out of this. So it should be okay now. I got 100% confidence that it's going to work this time. Okay. Right, so if it just comes out the bottom, then it's good. Oh yes, look at that, excellent. Cool. Right, so there you go, that's how you make a linear actuator. So also, if you wanted to do something like, you could quite easily mount a potentiometer on here and get quite accurate movements. For, I don't know, it might be a bit ambitious to say you might be able to get a couple of these, make some sort of milling machine kind of rat thing. I don't know. I mean, they're probably strong enough. It's got a, well, I mean, apart from the gears slipping, which is something I can fix, it's got a decent amount of power. Like, I can't pull that out. Something's going to break before that comes out. Right, so just got to tighten some of these up, and then I'll be ready for testing.
Mm-hmm.